day, all that you showed me, the power and the glory, till my kingdom come. Give us this day all that you showed me, the power and the glory, till my kingdom come. Give me all the storybook told me, the faith and the glory, till my kingdom come. And they say that in our time, all that's good will fall from grace. Even saints would turn their face in our time. And they told us that in our days, different words said in different ways have other meanings from he who says in our time. Give us this day all that you showed me, the power and the glory, till my kingdom come. Give me all the storybook told me, the faith and the glory, till my kingdom comes. And they say that in our time we would read from their legacy, we would learn from what they had seen in our time. And they told us that in our days we would know what was high on high, we would follow and not defy in our time. Give us this day all that you showed me, the faith and the glory, till my kingdom come. Faithless in faith, we must behold the things we see. Give us this day all that you showed me, the faith and the glory, till my kingdom come. Give us this day all that you showed me, the power and the glory, till my kingdom comes. Give me all the storybook told me, the faith and the glory, till my kingdom comes. Give us this day all that you showed me, the power and the The sound is on, the visions move, the image dance starts once again. They shuffle with a ball-like grace and glide and syncopation. Just living lines from books we've read, with atmospheres of days gone by, with paper smiles, a screenplay calls, a message for the nation. And those who see will fade and die, and those who love will surely fall, and those who know will always feel their backs against the thin wall.